Tubbs! What are you doing? You're disrupting everything! I had some nice shit going.
Overray.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine.
Ring 5s.
You can't. You made him a level 3.
Did I make him level 3?
I could have sworn. Didn't
No.
you? Okay.
I didn't
that's
do the
fine.
whole.
Oh yeah, you're
the
fine.
whole
You're
thing.
fine.
Almost, Tubbs. You sneaky monkey.
Wait, no. Then how'd you get out the second magician?
I didn't do the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Okay. Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell this song is talking about. To you, 26. If it attacks or was attacked, it's gonna pop some shit. I have to at least fight, you know what I mean?
You're gonna attack?
Yeah. Ooh. So you still take 26.
Then you have to detach.
Well, no,
Oh,
at
no,
the end of
no,
battle,
oh.
I can pop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Pop. And then, end of my turn, I detach.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Rabbit comes back. I have a lot of shit in my grave, don't I?
A bunch of monsters is what I like to see.
Hmm.
You only have one shark left.
I know. No, there's a truck right here. Did you count
Oh
the
yeah,
one
that's
locked
good.
up?
Alright.
Tears attack. Yeah. And then end the battle phase, pop. Ooh. Tubbs is pulling out the big cards.
Wasn't it effect to detach?
Yeah. Wait, it can't be destroyed, or... Well, its effects negated, but it's continuous.
That's a continuous effect, right?
It can't be destroyed by card effects as continuous, yeah. Or no, it's, well, it has...
Oh, okay.
So it stays, right?
Well, it detaches for cost,
It
no?
detaches for cost at the end of battle, yeah.
So
At the end
then
of
it would be destroyed because it no longer has the materials
So you're doing
on
it at
it
the
for
end
its
of-
effect.
Hold on, let's read it. So what's the last effect? Is the one that actually activates...
No, then yeah, it'll stay. It'll stay.
Yeah.
You
Yes, everything's good.
yeah.
Go. Now you can, like, dark hole in this shit. Is it? Oh no, I banished that Venus.
Feet.
Ulster Soldier?
He's not in here.
He's locked in my dick.
Yeah, there's no Luster Soldier in here.
Yeah, because you don't play it in that.
No.
Because I was playing too small of a dark count or whatever. Make some magic happen, boy. Woo! Yeah. If you even have one.
I do.
Can I see your grave?
Go ahead.
Very interesting.
Your barfly's already in the graveyard, so I don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, it's banished or whatever.
Go ahead. You have no more windups left in deck.
I have all 12. 1, 2, 3, 11.
12.
So that's redundant. Yeah, I'm actually going to go through that one more time.
Okay. You only have one out.
I only have one out. Is that really the answer, Tubbs?
Either that or another 3-star exceed the dark hole.
So I have numerous outs, is what you're trying to tell me.
Yeah, but you only have tour guide left in deck unless you don't play him. Yeah, so there you go.
I'm just letting you know that there is a tour guide effect.
Sure. See how good you are at Yu-Gi-Oh.
Let's see how good I am at
Yeah.
Yu-Gi-Oh. You're an asshole, Tubbs. I'm just letting you know. Why didn't the token get popped? When I Tears affected. You tried to negate it.
Because you can
but it
only
would be
use its
destroyed.
effects when he had...
Oh, you still negate its...
Destroying. I negate the destruction.
But he can't be destroyed by card effects. So you negate the effect, but you can't destroy the card.
Right.
Is that...
Yes. Because I'm going to attempt to destroy it,
Right.
and then he's going to be like, oh, I can't be destroyed, but you can still negate my effect.
I guess that makes sense. I'm not trying to shark you.
No, you're fine. That's why, that was the only reason I played the thing, because I had to do it that way. Or else I would have lost that token like 3 turns ago.
So you're asking me if I know how to play Yu-Gi-Oh?
Yes.
So you're asking me if I know
There
that.
you go.
I mean, come on, man.
I'm pretty sure it was the...
Oh, I wish that was cooler. I mean, it's acid golem, obviously, but...
Did you have Max C in your opener?
Yeah. I also have this...
No, that's good.
Well, I mean, I can't now, but you know what I mean. Like, I'm just showing you that I have it for the next turn. What? For Reborn the Castilla?
Yeah. 16 and 18. 34.
Okay, you have 2,000 left. Woo!
See how many fairies I had in her?
Yeah.
My hand was all monsters.
That's yours. I like that though with agents sometimes.
It was
Like,
okay. I had dead ass Hyperions though. Like if I could have got my Hyperions way earlier out, I could have fucking shit on that factory.
Let's